What if I told you the universe is not silent, and that space is sending us signals we still can't explain? What if strange objects were entering our solar system, changing direction, speeding up, acting as if they were being controlled? And what if governments around the world were quietly hiding classified discoveries that could change everything we know about life in the universe? Tonight, we dive into the most mysterious space signals, the strangest objects ever detected, and the discoveries scientists were never meant to reveal. Prepare yourself, because the truth about what's happening out there is far more shocking than anything we've been told. Since the beginning of human history, we've looked up at the night sky with a mix of curiosity and fear. But in the last few decades, space has become more mysterious than ever before. Advanced telescopes, deep space probes, and classified military programs have uncovered signals, objects, and anomalies that defy everything we thought we knew about the universe. Some of these discoveries have been quietly released to the public. Others have been buried, locked away behind government doors. And a few, no one has fully explained to this day. Tonight, we explore the chilling world of space signals, strange objects, and classified discoveries, mysteries that push the boundaries of science and force us to question whether we are truly alone. The signal that shouldn't exist. One of the most famous mysteries began on August 15, 1977. Astronomer Jerry Emin was scanning the sky with the Big Ear radio telescope when he suddenly detected a powerful, narrowband radio signal coming from the constellation Sagittarius. A signal so strong and so precise that he circled it on the printout and wrote one word in red ink. Wow! Unlike random radio noise from space, this signal looked artificial, engineered. It lasted 72 seconds and then vanished, never to be detected again. Scientists have tried to explain it as a comet, a satellite, or a cosmic coincidence, but none of the theories fully match the data. Some believe it was a message from an advanced civilization. Others say it was a misread. But deep inside several government research facilities, the WOW signal has become part of a classified effort, monitoring space for structured, intelligent communication. Because after 1977, more signals started appearing. Repeating signals from deep space in the early 2000s, astronomers began picking up strange, millisecond-long bursts of energy known as FRBs, fast radio bursts. These signals, coming from billions of light-years away, were so intense that they released more energy in a fraction of a second than our sun emits in days. Most were random. But then something shocking happened. A repeating FRB was detected. Over and over again, the same signal, from the same spot in space, pulsing with perfect timing. Nature rarely behaves with precision. Intelligent engineering does. Some researchers claimed these signals might come from magnetars or dying stars. But leaked documents from defense agencies suggest another possibility. The signals are being tracked as potential non-terrestrial communications. In other words, not from nature, but from someone else. The black objects near Earth in 1998, NASA astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle STS-88 photographed a strange, dark, angular object orbiting Earth. It didn't look like a satellite. It didn't match any known space debris. Conspiracy theorists named it the Black Knight satellite, claiming it may be a 13,000-year-old alien probe monitoring Earth. NASA dismissed the object as a misplaced thermal blanket, but experts pointed out that the photos show something much larger, much heavier, and behaving unlike discarded equipment. Over the years, strange radar reflections, unexplained signals, and odd orbital paths have kept the Black Knight mystery alive. According to rumors from inside military intelligence, the object is still being tracked, but its data is classified under a category known as exotic aerospace threats, a label used for technology not made by any nation on Earth. The Oumuamua anomaly in 2017, telescopes detected the first known interstellar object passing through our solar system. Named Oumuamua, meaning messenger from afar, it behaved in ways no asteroid or comet ever has. It changed speed without any visible gas release. It reflected light unevenly, as if it were metallic. And its shape, long and thin, almost like a spacecraft, matched no natural object we've ever seen. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb made global headlines when he suggested it could be artificial, a fragment of alien technology or a probe sent to study us. Many other scientists quietly agreed, though few would say it publicly. Government agencies immediately collected all observation data, with some files marked restricted. To this day, no natural explanation fully accounts for Oumuamua's behavior. The classified moon discoveries, despite being visited more than 50 years ago, the moon still hides unanswered mysteries. Former NASA contractors have reported strange structures, unexplained flashes of light, and objects moving across the lunar surface, long before modern satellites could capture high-resolution images. Some Apollo astronauts claimed they were followed or watched during their missions. Transcripts that were once classified describe lights, craft, and traffic on the far side of the moon. Modern lunar orbiters have detected geometric formations, too symmetrical to be random, but many of those photos are archived under restricted access. Why? What did they see up there? The signals beneath Mars. When the Mars rover Curiosity recorded methane spikes on the red planet, NASA tried to remain cautious. But methane is a chemical often produced by living organisms. Soon after, radar scans began picking up underground reflections, suggesting liquid water lakes hidden beneath layers of ice. And where there is water, there may be life. Some leaked communications from European space agencies hint at complex readings, signals or patterns coming from beneath the surface that do not match geological processes. Could something be moving underground? Communicating? We don't know, at least, not publicly. The secret projects watching the sky. Every major world power runs classified programs related to unidentified aerial and space phenomena. The US has the OTIP and other black budget programs. Russia and China have their own deep space surveillance networks. These agencies collect data on unknown objects entering Earth's orbit, unusual radiation bursts, and anomalies that cannot be explained by conventional science. But the truth rarely reaches the public. Documents that do leak often describe objects that accelerate instantly, shift direction without inertia, or appear and disappear from sensors. Not aircraft. Not meteors. Something else. Governments classify these findings not because they are unimportant, but because they are too important. Too destabilizing. Too advanced. Are we being watched? When you put all these stories together, the unexplained signals, the strange interstellar objects, the classified files, the ancient orbital anomalies, you begin to see a bigger picture. Something is out there. Something intelligent. Something aware. Whether these mysteries belong to ancient civilizations, advanced extraterrestrials, or unknown cosmic phenomena, one thing is clear: the universe is not silent. It is speaking to us, through signals, objects, and discoveries that challenge our understanding of reality. And somewhere, deep within government vaults and classified archives, are answers we are not yet allowed to know. The deeper we look into space, the more questions we uncover. Signals with no natural explanation, objects behaving like advanced technology, and discoveries classified before the public ever sees them. Are we being watched? Are these messages warnings? Or are we finally seeing the first hints that we are not alone? One thing is certain: the universe knows more about us than we know about it. If you enjoyed this exploration into the unknown, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-bending space mysteries. Until next time, stay curious, stay alert, and remember, some discoveries were never meant to be found.